Apple. Discover the innovative world of Apple and shop everything iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, MacBook, and Apple TV. Plus, explore accessories and entertainment. Search apple.com, iPhone, MacBook, Watch, iPad store support. Apple is an American multifunctional technology company that specializes in consumer electronics, software, and online service. Stock price AAPL $177.96. CEO Tim Cook, August 24, 2011. Founded April 1, 1976. Headquarters Cupertino, California, United States. Founders Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, Ronald Wayne. Product iPhone, Apple Watch, Apple iPad, Apple TV, Mac OS, iOS, AirTag, Macintosh, Logic Pro, iPod, HomePod, Garage Band, Final Cut Pro, Watch OS, iOS 10, Keynote, Pages, Mac OS, Siri, Sierra Number, iWork, TV OS, iLife. Beats Electronic. Next we are Bedded, Apple Store, Apple Studio, iTunes, KK, Mobile, Wave, Investigate, Technology, Drive, Baron, Capital, Authentic, Meta, Apple Retail, Germany, Asia Limited, more. Serial number lookup. Depending on the product, you can find your serial number on the surface of your product on a Mac by choosing About This Mac from the Apple menu on iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, iPod, or Apple Watch in Settings. Contact board. You can buy online or call 800-MY-APPLE 800-692-7753. You can get information about an order you placed on the Apple Store, Apple Online Store through the order status. If you prefer, you can also get order status or make changes by phone at 800-692-7753. Some locations. People also ask, is better than Apple? Apple and Google both have fantastic app stores, but Android is far superior and at organizing apps, letting you put important stuff on the home screen and hide less useful apps in the app drawer. Also, Android's widgets are much more useful than Apple's. Can we use WhatsApp in iPhone? WhatsApp Web, the desktop browser version of the popular instant messaging app, is now available for Apple's iOS operating system, meaning Apple users can pair the app with their computers like BlackBerry, Windows Phone, and Android users are already able to. And which Apple is famous? Red Delicious one. Then it is Samsung or Apple better? Another major advantage that iPhone has over Samsung photos is a longevity of the devices. Although Samsung now offers 4 years of major Android updates for its flagships and mid-range phones, iPhones can easily last for 5 to 6 years. However, there is one important caveat to this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like. Bye.